Okay, so if you're trying to run the machine, this is your Titan with the door open for, say, troubleshooting or bypass of the pass-through doors. You're going to get this error message. All right, so to get around that, you've got to bypass the door checkboard. So take your key, open up the door on the right, look in the control panel. You're going to find your door flat board. It's this little board with the amber lights. It's got a black button in the middle. Press it once, you'll get the bypass enabled. You'll know because the stack light on the front of your machine will be flashing red to indicate. You'll then be able to run the project. It's going to start up like normal. And then when you're done, you can disable the bypass by going back to the door flat board and pressing the black button again. Or if you power cycle the machine, when you power it back up, the bypass will be disabled. Hope this helps.